The universe is a vast and ever-changing expanse, a boundless realm filled with mysteries and wonders beyond our imagination. Galaxies, those magnificent islands of stars, gas and dust, are scattered throughout this cosmic ocean, each one a unique and dynamic system. They move and interact, often in spectacular displays of cosmic power, colliding and merging in a grand ballet of celestial bodies. One such event is set to occur in our own cosmic neighborhood, a monumental encounter that will reshape the night sky. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is on a collision course with our neighboring spiral galaxy, Andromeda, a journey that will take billions of years to complete. This event, billions of years in the future, is not a cause for alarm. Instead, it is an opportunity to witness the grandeur of cosmic evolution, an opportunity to witness the awe-inspiring forces that shape the universe, forces that have been at work since the dawn of time. The collision will be a slow and drawn-out affair, a majestic dance played out over eons as stars and planets are flung into new orbits. The result will be a new galaxy, a cosmic blend of the Milky Way and Andromeda, a testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe. Understanding this event requires a grasp of the immense scales of time and distance involved, scales that stretch our comprehension to its limits. It also requires an appreciation for the intricate dance of gravity that governs the motions of galaxies, a force that binds the cosmos together. As we delve into the details of this cosmic collision, prepare to be amazed by the wonders of the universe we inhabit, a universe that is constantly evolving and revealing new secrets. Before we delve into the collision itself, let's get acquainted with the main players. These two colossal galaxies are on a cosmic collision course, but there's so much more to them than just their impending encounter. The Milky Way, our home, is a barred spiral galaxy. It's a vast, rotating disk of stars, gas and dust, with a central bar-shaped structure made up of stars. Imagine a flat disk with spiral arms and you've got the basic idea. These spiral arms are regions of active star formation, glowing brightly with young, hot stars. Our solar system resides within one of these arms, about 2/3 of the way out from the center. This location provides us with a relatively stable environment, shielded from the more chaotic central regions. Andromeda, also known as M31, is another spiral galaxy, even larger than our own. It's a giant in the cosmic neighborhood, with a diameter of about 220,000 light-years compared to the Milky Way's 100,000 light-years. It lies about 2.5 million light-years away, a relatively short distance in cosmic terms. This proximity makes it one of the few galaxies visible to the naked eye from Earth. To the naked eye, it appears as a faint smudge of light. But telescopes reveal its true grandeur, a swirling mass of stars, gas, and dust. It's a dynamic and complex system, much like our own Milky Way. Both galaxies are members of what astronomers call the local group, a collection of about 54 galaxies bound together by gravity. This group includes other notable galaxies like the Triangulum Galaxy, but the Milky Way and Andromeda are by far the largest. Andromeda is the largest member of this group, and its gravitational pull is slowly drawing it closer to the Milky Way. This gradual approach will eventually lead to a spectacular collision, reshaping both galaxies in the process. The collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is not a matter of if, but when. Astronomers have been studying the motions of these galaxies for decades, and the evidence is clear: they are on a collision course. The rate at which Andromeda is approaching us is about 250,000 miles per hour. At that speed, it would take about 6 billion years for the two galaxies to collide. That may seem like an eternity, but it is a relatively short time in the grand scheme of the universe. The collision is inevitable because of the relentless pull of gravity. As the two galaxies approach each other, their gravitational attraction will increase, pulling them closer and closer together. The result will be a cosmic merger of epic proportions. The initial stages of the collision will be marked by subtle changes in the appearance of both galaxies. As they draw closer, their gravitational fields will begin to interact, distorting their shapes. The once symmetrical spiral arms will become stretched and warped. Tidal forces caused by the difference in gravity between the near and far sides of each galaxy will play a significant role in this distortion. Imagine pulling on a rubber band from both ends. That's essentially what gravity will be doing to the galaxies. The first close encounter between the Milky Way and Andromeda will likely occur in about 4 billion years. At this point, the galaxies will still be separated by a vast distance, but their gravitational influence on each other will be undeniable. Section 5, Tides of Creation Starburst Symphony. As the two galaxies continue their approach, the gravitational interactions will intensify, pulling and stretching the very fabric of these cosmic structures. The dance of these galaxies is a slow yet powerful ballet driven by the invisible force of gravity. Giant clouds of gas and dust, the raw materials for star formation, will be compressed and stirred up by the encounter. These clouds, often spanning light years across, will collide and merge, creating shock waves that ripple through the interstellar medium. This will trigger a burst of star formation, lighting up both galaxies with a dazzling display of newborn stars. These new stars will form in clusters, illuminating the dark void of space with their radiant light, creating a cosmic symphony of creation. These starburst regions, as they're called, are some of the most luminous and energetic environments in the universe. They shine brightly, outshining entire galaxies, and are often visible across vast cosmic distances. They are characterized by a high rate of star formation, with massive stars burning bright but living short lives before exploding as supernovae. These massive stars, often many times the size of our sun, live fast and die young, leaving behind a legacy of heavy elements. The increased star formation will be accompanied by an increase in the number of supernova explosions. These cataclysmic events will send shock waves through the galaxies, further compressing gas clouds and triggering even more star formation. These explosions will seed the surrounding interstellar medium with heavy elements, enriching the material from which future generations of stars will form. This cycle of birth, death, and rebirth is a fundamental process in the evolution of galaxies, ensuring that the cosmos remains a dynamic and ever-changing place. Section 6, Galactic Tango, Through Each Other's Arms. The first close encounter will not mark the end of the collision, however. The galaxies will swing past each other, their momentum carrying them apart for a time. But their gravitational attraction will remain, pulling them back together for a second encounter and then a third, and so on. Each encounter will further distort the shapes of the galaxies, drawing out long tails of stars and gas. These tidal tails, as they're known, can extend for hundreds of thousands of light years, creating a cosmic spectacle of breathtaking proportions. The repeated encounters will also cause the galaxies to lose energy, slowing their relative motion. This means that with each pass, they will come closer and closer together until eventually they merge completely. In the aftermath of these cosmic dances, a new galaxy will be born. Milkdromeda. This colossal galaxy will be the result of the merger between the Milky Way and Andromeda. The process will take billions of years, but the end result will be a single massive galaxy. Stars will be thrown into new orbits and new stars will be born from the gas and dust stirred up by the collision. The central black holes of the two galaxies will eventually merge as well, forming an even more massive black hole at the heart of Milkdromeda. This new galaxy will be a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. Observing the collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda offers us valuable lessons about the cosmos. It reminds us that galaxies are not static islands in space, they are dynamic and constantly evolving. The study of such collisions helps astronomers understand the life cycles of galaxies and the forces that shape them. It also provides insights into the behavior of dark matter, which makes up a significant portion of the universe's mass. By studying these grand cosmic events, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the universe. As inhabitants of the Milky Way, we have a front-row seat to this spectacular event. While the collision will unfold over billions of years, the evidence of its progress will be visible in the night sky. Future generations will witness the gradual transformation of our galaxy as it merges with Andromeda. This cosmic event will serve as a reminder of our place in the universe and the incredible forces at work around us. It is a humbling and awe-inspiring thought that we are part of such a grand and ever-evolving cosmic dance.